Hello and welcome, everyone. My name is Oskar, and just so you know, that's an Oscar with a K, for comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're all having a lovely evening this evening. My name is Oskar Newman, and just so you know, that's an Oscar with a K, for comedy.
Oskar, practicing for Le Grand debut.
Yeah.
Relax. I always endeavour to arrive with time in hand to report for duty before the audience arrives.
Go.
No. Oskar, it is going to be Mondo to see you perform. After all of those false starts, interest is aroused, anticipation aflame. You've got something special planned for us, I'll wager. Yes? Yes?
I think so.
Yeah, you do. Hello?
How far away?
How far away is he?
Wait, so you're not coming?
Tell him about the appletini.
It's her hen's night.
Does he know about the appletini?
It's the only one she's ever gonna have. You don't know that.
He doesn't want appletini.
Hey, I'll have one if you buy enough.
Thanks anyway, babe. Enjoy your pizza.
What a pansy fuckface.
You're a funny guy, but looks aren't everything.
Good evening all, my name is Rafe and I'm your host for this evening, the Master of Ceremonies. That's right, you did hear correctly, it is pronounced Rafe, changed from Rolf, the traditional Austrian. Back when I was, about 16 going on 17. At the tender age of 4, my first encounter with the sound of music. Yeah, it was the sound of my dad banging it out. My dad blamed the piano, accused it of being broke. You see, at that age of 4, the gross mispronunciation infuriated me. And I said to him, Dad, it's not broke, it's baroque. And now, a special, fragile little thing, our first act. It is his first time up here, so please make him feel welcome. Put your hands together and welcome Oskar with a K. A K for comedy.
Some of you may have noticed this tiny pack of chewing gum just sitting there,
Who does he think he is?
just casually sitting there.
You know he can't do this.
Some of you may be asking yourselves, well, what is it doing there? Well, the rules of drama dictate that should a prop be noticeable to the audience, it should eventually be used. This is Chekhov's gun.
What's a Chekhov?
Chekhov, he was a great playwright whose many...
I'm going to staple his testicles to a chair and pull out a head.
Testes. Latin for witnesses of virility. Interesting.
You mystic you are.
I'm Oskar Newman.
But I wonder
At least
if
that's
he
what my
can't.
therapist, Dr. Patel, says anyway. That I'm a new man. But seriously, I was in therapy. I can see what all you're thinking though. Therapy? Therapy? What were you doing in therapy, Oskar? Tell us, Oskar. Is there something we should know about, Oskar? Something ongoing? Tell us, Oskar. Please tell us. Well, I can tell you why I was in therapy, as it turns out. I was in therapy because I sometimes have a little bit of trouble recognizing the friend zone. As it turns out, the friend zone isn't in the bushes outside our house.
What's the friend zone?
The friend zone. What a hellish place. Patronizing mix of sympathy and physical revulsion. Like you're some sort of freshly born furless mouse. That's love for you, I guess. A crippling uncertainty leaving by severe psychosomatic pain.
Speak for yourself,
Don't
pal.
worry, pal. I am. Her name was Maureen. Her mouth like a
He's
snake.
not that bad, love.
Is that the best you can say?
Red-headed lass. A real Irish.
Tell us a joke.
I'm not a very funny person.
You can tell. We want to joke.
Alright, listen. I'm not your monkey, okay? I'm not here to amuse you.
Tell us a joke.
Boy, pal, you really are asking for it, aren't you?
Yes, I am. For a joke.
Babe, I suggest we go somewhere fun.
You're not going anywhere. I'm not finished yet.
What the fuck did you say to
I don't
me?
know if you're aware of a little thing called heliocentrism. It's basically a theory that states that the Earth rolls around the sun, not
Who
you.
are you, Mr.
I don't have to listen to this shit.
I am not finished. There is plenty more where this came from. I know what it is you'll find funny. Awkward situations. They're trending. In. Happening. I guess, in a way, this is sort of one. Tomorrow you'll be going back home to your friends and family, back to your co-workers. That is, if there is going to be a tomorrow. Pow! Guys, it's just anti-humor. That's what we call it anyway. There's no actual relation to a joke. You see, I can be a funny guy.
Looks aren't everything.
You think this is all fake? All part of the act? How about now? Jeez, guy. What's with the attitude? It's so callous, so unmoving.
Listen, Annie Oakley, heckling goes with the gig.
Tell us a joke!
No.
Tell us a joke!
No.
Tell us a joke! 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 Heckling goes with the gig. What's so funny? What's so funny?
There's nothing sadder than when a joke dies. A newborn joke. From all of the beauty that went into its conception, from the impregnation of a concept with the sperm of truth, and the gestation period in the mind's womb, and then, when it's pushed, fully formed, sliding and riding through the birth canal for it just to flop out and die barren on the floor. There is nothing sadder. And now, without further ado, I'd like to introduce our next act.
It's so good to be here, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Stanley. Let me tell you a joke.